of my favorite boats.
You guys do? Are you recording right now?
Yes, how do you know?
Okay, fine. I'll go.
Where is the boat?
What are you
There it is. It is a plane.
What are you doing, boys?
Economy and first class. A car. And as you can see, a boat. Because this is built a boat for treasure. The five and one.
Who's two big boys? Alright, puppy, let's teach you how to draw.
So I got
Right there.
just my sister and his sister.
Here, let me give you.
We're not at 40 of us.
Wait.
For a second, I thought that was an obstacle. I like, that just broke immediately. Warning, do not use two force fields in one go.
No, she's trying to dodge the obstacle.
But it looks like Einstein. Hey guys, I forgot to introduce him. He's my cousin Cash. Very skinny, but also very tall. And has a Giga Chad drawing. Well, chicken. See all the chicken, yes, tasty as hell. Ooh, mama, sweet, why is your bowl? Tasty and juicy, now how it feels. Ooh, super spicy, it's a lot of fun. Chicken. See all the chicken, yes, tasty as hell. Ooh, mama, sweet, super spicy, yeah. That sometimes happens. It's always that seat first. Batter up!
Bro, can you go protecting around here?
I can't. Because I ran out of force fields.
Like a metal wall around here.
That's smart. I'll try the next one.
And maybe a roof.
It's a boat, a car, and an airplane. It doesn't need a roof. What the heck was that sound? What's that sound? What is that sound?
It's the bottle.
Where's that even coming from? Oh no. Don't leave without me. Yeah, wow. We're going to spawn in the boat again. Why not?
Here, go on the top and pull it down forward. You should put the thing on.
Actually, fine, you want wall animals?
Yeah.
That's it.
Bro, I'm bored.
Now that was happening.
Have you ever made it to the end?
Once,
You're not drawing yet. I'm drawing first.
it wasn't even my boat.
You have to wait till I'm drawing first. Miss that. I'll be right back.
I'm saving up for 500,000.
That's a perfect
So I can get this.
How much you got?
1,338. I know it sucks.
There's no way. No way. If I make it to the end.
250 rope.
Oh, I was so close to the end. How much did I get? 80? Oh, that?
Never mind, I didn't reach the end.
Are you gonna?
I know I'm supposed to be saving you up, but I really need this. Alright, let's drive. Wait, I'm getting out of the jetpack. What do you need a jetpack for? Alright, can we go now?
Oh, that means they're
Sure.
Yo, what is that? No, they're doing a bubble like this. What, Frankie, what is that?
Finger
Chinese finger trap.
You're Chinese.
Let me see it.
Dude, be quiet. We're making a video. Dude, you're gonna rip it in half.
You get one finger out and then you push. Like this.
You'll give it. I'm not gonna twist it, but. And he leaves it.
I'll take it.
As you can see, this man has a great show. Let's see if know my little sister made. I don't think she knows that spell. Or she speak a different language. I think it's first one. She's one or two. Now I remember. We lost the wheel, but that doesn't mean we can't. We lost 2 wheels, but that doesn't mean we can't move. We lost 3 wheels. That means we can't move. Stop going backwards. Go backwards. Now go forward. Now go backwards. Okay, now let the wind take you. I'm thirsty for water like the world drinks. I need water. Cash! I need water. Wow, good thing I live on the ocean. Give me the Chinese finger trap. Dude, this is for airplanes. You know that, right? Huh?
It's actually a place. You can't keep. It's supposed to only be 2. You're supposed to do 2 houses.
I'm still alive.
But you could put houses.
Yeah.
Turtle, a banana.
Hello.
I'm the one who's supposed to do.
That's your banana.
Look, turtle.
Okay.
Banana, he's coming. Mommy.
Gosh, we're so close to the end.
Wait, finger trap banana. Finger trap banana.
Dude, we're so close to the end.
We have 2 more. Wait, rush through that. Finger trap banana. 2 finger trap banana.
Oh. Don't give me your back.
I'm bored, Thomas.
Never, 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 never.
Oh, stop!
Dude, I just stole some random dude's book.
Get down.
You're the only one that was left playing.
No, you were, Gordy, wasn't Jari using this?
Oh my
I
god.
didn't rip it.
Look what you did.
This is mine!
I wasn't even
You
ripping it.
made that.
I was like this with my hand and then I was twisting it.
No, because you're pulling it.
I never pulled on
Now I'm bleeding. Now I'm bleeding.
That's too bad then. Dude, how am I still alive? Dude, I bet I could beat. Dude, just kill yourself so you can make some stuff. Kill yourself so you can make a boat. Make sure there's 2 seats. Okay? Because I'm in the second level right now.
I'm gonna go outside.
What have I done wrong? I only have 1 minute of fuel. Dude, I'm at the top of the world. Literally.
Why does this steel cost so much?
Because it's the strongest block. Flint and steel. Dude, you could bail me, right?
Yeah. We're gonna need scissors, but I don't really have scissors.
You'll see me when I come.
Some purple. Yeah,
Dude, hurry up. Go to that. I need you.
I don't know how to.
Let me go there. Oh, wait, I think I
got a second seat. I keep on making it long. Pause. Let me build some walls around it.
Turbine.
Wait, after I'm done building that. Dude, you don't need walls. You just need buildings. I ran out of fuel. Wait, let me save this one. Well, let's go outside now. Well, that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Now, peace!